Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here, Niagara-tropics.com. Here we are, January 22nd, minus 14 Celsius, which is about 9 Fahrenheit. Anyways, just having a quick peek here at the enclosed palms that we have outside and overwintering. But I just want to uncover quickly this needle palm I have in the back, and we'll check on the status here. So obviously a lot of snow cover. We can see that there's no heat applied, and the palm is actually very green and looks to be healthy. So I'm going to give her a bit of sunlight, bit of fresh air, and then I'll cover her back up again. As you can see, the snow definitely helps with insulation and helps keep every heat naturally produced in. So I'll keep you posted, but everything here looks rather green and healthy. And the spear growth down at the bottom, beautiful color green. So stay tuned. Hey guys, here's the needle palm from the front of the yard. As we saw in the back, I mean, everything turned out pretty green. So you can see some fronds sticking out. Here we are, Burlington, Ontario, zone 6B. Again, 9 degrees Fahrenheit. Everything looking green. Again, no heat applied to the palm, and again, just covered with some frost cloth and a little bit of burlap. Just got the green fronds sticking out of the snow, and again, everything looks green and healthy. Anyways, that's it for now. Thank you.